Someone has been upset with me the past few weeks. So we're back together and we're making another easy meal. Cottage cheese, creamy Cajun pasta. This one is quick, made with fairly common ingredients, cheap to make, and of course, high in protein. So let's jump right into it. To make this one, we're gonna start with our sauce. Take out a blender or food processor and add right into it 1.5 cups of cottage cheese, 1 can of fire roasted diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, and 1 tablespoon Cajun seasoning. Blend or process those ingredients until smooth like this. Next, and you can skip this step if you don't want vegetables in it. Take out a stovetop pan, turn your burner on medium heat, and add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. While that's heating up, chop up your choice vegetables. I'm using a couple mini bell peppers and half a white onion. I'll make sure to put multiple variations and their nutritional breakdowns on the website, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Add in your chopped up vegetables and let those cook for a couple minutes. Drop your heat to low, and this is where you'd start if you're not using vegetables. If you didn't use vegetables, add in a tablespoon of olive oil. If you did, you can pour in your mix. Low and slow is the key here. Make sure to keep it moving too, so that it heats up evenly. Don't let it get too hot. While that's heating up, make 10 ounces of pasta, however your box says to. I'm using this Protein Plus pasta today, but chickpea, lentil, or regular pasta all work great. Let me know if I'm missing any and your favorite pasta in the comments below. When that's done, drain it and add it right into your stovetop pan. Give it a quick mix. Last, and this is also completely optional, but if you want even better macros, you can add in a pound of cooked protein. Ground beef, shrimp, or chicken all work great. I usually go with either rotisserie for quickness, chicken breast like I'm using today, or chicken thighs. If you're using chicken and it's not pre-cooked, here's a quick recipe to go with this recipe, which I'll also put on the website. Take out your fat-trimmed chicken, cut each piece in half, and put it into a dish. In that dish, add a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning, and a little salt. Mix it around until all of your pieces are coated, then put it onto a lined baking sheet. Cook your chicken on 400 for around 20 to 25 minutes. Last, chop or break up whatever cooked protein you're using and add it right into your pan. Mix everything around and let that cook for a few minutes, or until it looks like this. Couple tips for this one. Number 1, if your mix appears to be too thin, you can add in around 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of cornstarch while it's cooking on low heat. Number 2, if you don't have access to Cajun seasoning, you can use this recipe to make your own. Number 3, make just the sauce in this recipe, store it in a jar, and use it on whatever you want. And number 4, add some hot sauce to it for a kick. The winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating for the uncooked chicken breast was bang! You win a shaker or shirt. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're gonna do this much dry pasta. You can guess how much it weighs in grams. You win a shaker or shirt. One guess per person in the comments below. With that said, thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy. Yeah.